how to use Lovable AI to build a page in minutes. In order to do that, first head over to lovable.dev and make sure to sign in into your account. Now, I already signed into mine, so you can just utilize this particular option right here, which is our chat. Then input right here your prompt. My prompt is creating a web page blog about the dog documenting his life experiences. So from in there, you can just input and be more specific as you need to be. But for me, this prompt is enough. So once you're done with your prompt, click onto this arrow icon right here. And then after that, Lovable will create a site based on the prompt that they have created. It will spin up a preview, think of something, and then you should be able to see in here this think process. So from in there, just head over and wait for this to actually do this. Now, as you can see, it now have created this particular site that we have. You can see right here the website, we have the about page, we have in here recent adventures for this particular prompt that we have. We also have in here clickable links that we have onto the actual menu. And if you want, you can head over and publish it by clicking on this publish option. Now click onto this publish right here, and then this will publish into this particular link that we can see right here, hosted by Lovable. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.